In continuation of the last video on mechanism of organic reactions of BSc Part 1 Organic Chemistry, we will continue with the reactive intermediates. In this video, we will study about carbonium ion or carbocation. A carbonium ion is an organic species in which the carbon atom has only 6 electrons and a positive charge, that is, it lacks a pair of electrons in its valence shell. In carbonium ion, carbon is in the state of sp2 hybridization and has a coplanar trigonal geometry. It has an ability to accept electron pair. On the basis of structure of the carbon atom bearing the positively charged, the carbocation can be classified into 3 groups. Primary carbonium ion. If the positive charge is present on primary carbon atom, then it is known as primary carbonium ion, for example, ethyl carbonium ion. Secondary carbonium ion. If the positive charge is present on secondary carbon atom, it is known as secondary carbonium ion, for example, isopropyl carbocation. Tertiary carbonium ion. If positive charge is present on tertiary carbon, then it is known as tertiary carbocation, for example, tert-butyl carbonium ion. If we consider the structure, then we see that the structure of the carbon atom of a carbonium ion is in the state of sp2 hybridization, and the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals form sigma bonds with 3 substituents, and the fourth unhybridized p or pz orbital remains vacant. If we consider the stability, then we see that the stability of carbonium ion is influenced by both resonance and inductive effect. Resonance explains the stability of allyl and benzyl carbonium ion over that of simple alkyl carbonium ion. In other words, the positive charge of the electron deficient carbon in allyl and benzyl carbonium ion is dispersed on different carbon atoms. For example, if we consider the stability of the allyl and benzyl carbonium ion, we see that in allyl carbonium ion, the electron pair of the double bond migrates to another position, thus shifting the positive charge on another carbon atom, giving rise to resonating structures. In the case of benzyl carbonium ion, we see that the positive charge is outside the ring. Now, the electron pair from within the ring migrates outside the ring, shifting positive charge within the ring. Now, within the ring, this charge migrates on different positions, thus giving rise to various resonating structures. Stability of the simple alkyl carbonium ion is explained on the basis of inductive effect. Due to plus I effect, the alkyl group releases electrons to positively charged carbon atom and thus reduces charge and itself becomes somewhat positive. This dispersal of charge stabilizes the carbonium ion. Therefore, a tertiary carbonium ion with 3 alkyl groups is more stable than a secondary with 2 alkyl groups is more stable than a primary with 1 alkyl group. So, in this case we see that the tertiary alkyl carbonium ion is more stable and the methyl carbonium ion is the least stable. Conversely, the electron attracting groups with minus I effect like Cn, NO2, Br, etc. will make the carbonium ion less stable because they will enhance the electron deficiency of the carbonium ion. On the basis of the relative stabilities, the carbonium ion are classified into 2 groups. First is transient or short-lived carbonium ion like alkyl carbonium ion, which are extremely reactive, and the second stable carbonium ion, example triphenyl methyl carbonium ion. The stability order of various carbonium ion is as follows. If we consider, then the methyl carbonium ion is less stable than the ethyl carbonium ion, which in turn is less stable than dimethyl carbonium ion, which is less stable than tertiary carbocation, but the stability of the tertiary carbocation is at par with the allyl carbocation, and the stability of the allyl carbocation is less than the stability of the phenyl or benzyl carbocation, and the stability of the benzyl carbocation is lesser than the diphenyl methyl carbocation, which is less than the triphenyl methyl carbocation. Thus, we see that in this series the stability of the methyl carbocation is the least and the stability of the triphenyl methyl carbocation is the highest. Here we may say that on increasing plus I effect or positively charged stability charged carbon On increasing the plus I effect on positively charged carbon atom, the carbocation increases. On increasing the minus I effect on positively charged carbon atom, stability decreases. On increasing the delocalization of charge due to conjugation, also the stability of the carbocation increases. And on increasing the polarity of the solvent, stability of the carbocation increases. Now we come to the Damm-Janov rearrangement. Damm-Janov rearrangement occurs through the formation of carbocation. In this, primary amine is treated with nitrous acid. Then deamination occurs and the carbocation is formed, which gets rearranged and rearranged products are formed. So, we see that here is a N-propyl amine. This N-propyl amine reacts with nitrous acid and a 1 degree carbocation is formed. This 1 degree carbocation can react in two manner and different products are formed. For example, in one manner the hydrogen shift takes place and 2 carbocation is formed. This 2 degree carbocation then undergoes hydrolysis in the first step and deprotonation in the second step, giving rise to propane 2-ol. Whereas this 1 degree carbocation which was formed undergoes hydrolysis in the first step and deprotonation in the second step yields propane 1-ol. Similarly, cyclobutyl methylamine on Damm-Janov rearrangement gives various products as follows. So, here we have cyclobutyl methylamine which reacts with nitrous acid and HCl, giving rise to 1 degree carbocation. Now, this 1 degree carbocation can react in three manners. In the first manner, this first degree carbocation undergoes hydrolysis in the first step and deprotonation in the second step and gives rise to cyclobutyl carbinol. And this 1 degree carbocation in the second manner rearranges itself and forms 5-membered ring carbocation, and again this 5-membered carbocation ring can react in two ways. This 5-membered carbocation ring in one manner, in first manner, first undergoes hydrolysis and second step deprotonation gives rise to cyclopentanol, whereas in second manner this 5-membered carbocation ring after elimination of a proton gives rise to cyclopentene. Now, we see that in third manner this first degree carbocation which was initially formed eliminates one proton and gives rise to 4-membered ring alkene. That is all for today. Thank you.